Good afternoon, this is Van with MarineMax in Lewisville, Texas, and what we're looking at is our top boat in the showroom here is our XStar. This particular boat is fantastic. This particular boat has exceptional amount of seating in it. This rear-facing seating is very, very popular, but it folds away and makes into a lounge seating. It's very easy to do, and it's tucked away. As you see up in the bow area, it continues. Large captain's chair, rear-facing seat here, very comfortable. Then we get into our instrumentation. We have full instrumentation with tilt wheel. Sound system is all set up with 4 speakers, and then of course we have our console here. In the bow area, more lounge seating with the flip-up armrest. Very comfortable boat, very good looking boat. This is top-end boat on the water. Okay, again, my name is Van and I'm with MarineMax in Lewisville, Texas. And we just looked at the XStar, beautiful boat. Please give me a call if I can help you with this boat.